Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be talking about the second course in the Google Advanced Data Analytics Professional Certificate. The second course is called Get Started with Python, and it shows all the basics about Python, and you can learn about Jupyter Notebook so you can run cells and keep everything in one place. And you learn how to call functions to perform your data, like head, describe, shape, and many more. And you can also learn how to use loops like for loops, while loops, and else if loops. You also learn how to use strings by slicing, indexing, and formatting. They also teach you how to use data structures like lists, tuples, dictionaries, sets, and arrays. And they also give you important tools for data analysis like NumPy and pandas, and they teach you how to import the tools for it, and you can use abbreviations so it's easier for you to call back to the tools. And at the end of each course, they give you a portfolio project that you can add to your portfolio to show employers. They give you 3 scenarios and you can do all of them if you want, but you just have to choose one. And they give you scenarios to figure out how to analyze and examine the data, and you can use the Jupyter Notebook to perform all of the code, and they make it really easy, and they give you like a professional type of scenario so you know what it feels like to be a data analyst. And they also give you a slideshow and this whole template to present your data to other people. And at the end of it, you can add it to your portfolio to show your employers. And the third course is called Translate Data into Insights, and they teach you how to tell stories using data. And they perform exploratory data analysis and data cleaning, joining, and validating, so you can learn how to work as a data professional. And you can use the PACE workflow, which stands for Plan, Analyze, Construct, and Execute, so you know what goes into planning data and how to communicate it with other people. And then you can learn how to use Tableau to create and present data to other people, which is a very useful tool so you can communicate easier with other people and present your data findings. I learned a lot from the last 2 courses, and they helped me grow a lot for data analytics, and I know a lot more about Python and Tableau, and they're very useful tools to work my way up to be a data scientist. So I highly recommend you check out this course. Google did a really great job, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.